Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 53. 4 kinds of sentences. Let's learn English.
Here are
the 4 kinds
of sentences.
Declarative sentence. It makes a statement and it ends with a period.
Betty played with her dog Bart.
Martin and I were already friends.
Matthew started to learn how to drive.
Bart dug a hole in the yard. Interrogative sentence. It is a sentence that asks something and it ends with a question mark.
Matthew, can you share some of your old toys for the charity?
Did Bart start training as a comfort dog for the elders?
How did Betty finish all these stuff on her own?
Is Martin making another excuse for him not to attend the party?
Imperative sentence. It is a sentence that gives a wish, request, order or command and it ends with a period or an exclamation point.
Martin, someone's calling on my phone. Please answer it for me.
Have a safe flight, Betty.
It's already lunchtime, Martin. Stop playing online games.
Bart, go and catch the ball.
Exclamatory sentence. It is a sentence that expresses strong feeling that conveys excitement or emotion and it ends with an exclamation point.
Bert, don't run too fast.
Betty's schedule for next week confuses me.
Martin's basketball game was amazing.
Matthew had the puppy. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1. Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Identify whether it is declarative, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. Then write the correct punctuation of each sentence.
I'm so excited for the party.
Number 1. I am so excited for the party.
The correct answer is exclamatory.
Make a way to reconnect with your friends.
Number 2. Make a way to reconnect with your friends.
The correct answer is imperative.
Do you want to come with us this weekend?
Number 3. Do you want to come with us this weekend?
The correct answer is interrogative. Please jot down the important details.
Number 4. Please jot down the important details.
The correct answer is imperative.
Yay! It's almost Christmas time.
Number 5. Yay! It's almost Christmas time.
The correct answer is exclamatory.
The crowd is getting wilder at the concert.
Number 6. The crowd is getting wilder at the concert.
The correct answer is declarative.
Is it possible to see you tomorrow?
Number 7. Is it possible to see you tomorrow?
The correct answer is interrogative. Turn off the light before you go to bed.
Number 8. Turn off the light before you go to bed.
The correct answer is imperative.
Mrs. Harrison's car stopped on the way and it caused traffic.
Number 9. Mrs. Harrison's car stopped on the way and it caused traffic.
The correct answer is declarative.
Don't throw the garbage outside.
Number 10. Don't throw the garbage outside.
The correct answer is exclamatory. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.